Are you stuck wondering what online business you should start? You're not alone. So many people get caught up in trying to figure out what works best for them. But let me help you cut through all the confusion. In the next few minutes, I'll share my story, one that started with massive challenges, and how I discovered the online business model that worked for me, and why it can work for you too. But first, let me tell you why you should listen to me. I'm Ron Darper, and this is my story. Let's go back in time for a second. 13 years ago, I had a stroke. It was a huge turning point in my life. I had to relearn so many basic things I never thought I'd struggle with. But through it all, there was this one question that kept coming up. How can I still provide for myself and my family? At that time, working a regular 9 to 5 job just wasn't an option anymore. I knew I had to find something that would allow me to work from home on my own terms, and most importantly, something I could rely on. That's when I started looking into online business models. Now, this wasn't easy. I struggled at first. There were so many options out there. MLMs, e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, you name it. I probably tried it. And honestly, I failed more than I succeeded. I didn't make a single cent in over a year during my time in the MLM and affiliate marketing. And I was left feeling more confused than ever. Here's the turning point. Here's the thing. Through all those failures, I learned something that changed the game for me. I learned that success isn't about jumping on the latest trending or trying to get rich quick. It's about finding a business model that aligns with you, your skills, your lifestyle, and most importantly, your goals. I realized I had to stop chasing every shiny object and focus on something that was scalable, sustainable, and something I actually enjoy doing. That's when I found digital and affiliate marketing. Everything changed. And no, I'm not talking about selling low ticket products that pay peanuts. I'm talking about real high value programs that provide real solutions and more importantly, 100% profit. So why should you listen to me? Well, because I've been where you are. I know what it feels like to feel overwhelmed by the options, to have failed more times than you care to admit. But I also know what it's like to find something that works, something that gave me my life back, something that can give you the freedom you're looking for. Dun dun dun. Here's the decision. Here it is. Okay, so what online business should you do? Let me break it down for you. There are a few key factors you need to consider before you jump into any business. What are your strengths? Are you good at creating content, networking, or selling? Or maybe you're great at behind the scenes tasks like research and data analysis. The first thing to figure out is what you enjoy doing, because that will make the whole process a lot more fun and sustainable. What are your resources? Do you have a budget to invest up front? Are you starting with very little money? What kind of time do you have to dedicate? The truth is, some online businesses require more upfront investment, while others don't cost much at all, but need more of your time and attention. What are your goals? Are you looking for something that gives you financial freedom quickly, or are you more focused on building long-term wealth? I always tell people that understanding your why is key to choosing the right business. If your goal is to make a quick buck, that's one thing. If your goal is to build something sustainable that providing recurring revenue, that's a different ballgame. Now, I like to introduce what I do, my business. So, with all that in mind, let me tell you about what I find works. Okay, it's focused on teaching you digital marketing skills that you can use to either promote the program itself or any other business opportunity out there, online or offline. What makes this program different, for one, it pays 100% profit every time instantly. That's right, this isn't some low ticket commission that you only get paid on once. When you make a sale, you get paid right then and there, 100%. It's predictable income that grows over time so you get more customers. And trust me, that's a game changer when you look for something sustainable. Plus, the program is designed for business beginners and seasoned marketers alike. You don't have to have any tech skills to start. You'll have access to step-by-step training, mentorship, and community of like-minded individuals who want to see you succeed. It's all about setting you up for long-term success, not just the quick wins. Let's talk about why this model works for beginners. If you're new to the online business world, I get it. It can be super intimidating. But here's the beauty of this model. It's simple, straightforward, and built for people who are tired of the fluff and want results. You won't need a huge social media following. You won't need to spend thousands on ads. And you definitely won't need to bother your friends and family for sales. In fact, you don't even need a following. This is a business model that allows you to build a real income online without the stress that comes with traditional models. Now, here's where it gets real. If you're serious about changing your life and starting a business that can generate sustainable income, hit the link below in the description. A person will reach out to you and give you all the details on how you can get started with my program today. Don't sit on this decision. You've already spent enough time wondering what the right business is. Now is the time to take action and build something that is going to give you financial freedom and peace of mind. Listen, I know this is an easy journey, but if I can go from being a stroke survivor to running a digital business, then you can too. The biggest thing standing between you and success is a decision to get started. Don't hesitate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.